now I finally get to explain what I didn't explain at all, but here it is, guys. I'm making a sidecar for my scooter. Yeah, baby. Isn't it wonderful? Yes. It's pretty swell. I think people might like it. And I don't care if they do, because I'm going to ride it anyway. Alright, look what came from Amazon. Should be cool. Smells like Indonesia. Yep. Some dowel props. Should. Burp, 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 burp. So these here are what I'm trying to, that's what I was trying to make work, yep. As before I had the dowel props, I had these Sky Viper props. I think these were the, I don't know if they were the 2450 or if they were something else, but as you can see, I did a little bit of work and modification. I had to grind them down so the profile was right. I had to drill them out a little bit and just trying to see how they'd work, because I didn't have any props to run and I needed to do something, and I had some of these extras, so I had nothing to lose. And so with some modification and some careful planning, I was able to fashion up these props, and I just screwed them on. There was no nuts holding them on, and it was amazing. Ta-da! And how well did it work? Well, let's find out. This is the flight. Granted, they did not last too long. I mean, I probably got about 6 or 7 flights out of them, but they performed a little weird. Too flimsy, really, but I mean, they did alright. Check this out. Yeah. And so, they got me flying for a couple more days. Good stuff. And today I plan on going and getting some more footage with my son. There he is. Because he's getting into that FPV. And should be a good time. Everybody have a good day. Go out and take a flight, man. You deserve it. Drone Alone out.